Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So what do you do whenever you lose your passion as a creator? Now, I myself have definitely been through this after being on YouTube for more than 5 years, creating more than 1,000 plus videos. There's been so many times I've lost my passion to create. And whenever I face these moments, a lot of times you got to take a step back and realize that this is normal. This happens to every creative person out there, whether you're doing YouTube, writing a book, making music. It's always the same thing. We always hit this creative wall, or maybe we're just burnt out and tired of creating, especially if we're not getting the type of results that you want. Now, in this case, I would definitely take a break whenever you get to this point and kind of think of, why did you end up doing this in the first place? Why did you want to create? And whenever I get into those moments and I think in that way, then it kind of like re-energizes me to continue creating, or maybe take a different path, or even take a long break, because for a lot of us, we're creating for a reason. And especially if it's something that we're really passionate, enjoy doing, and it becomes a normal daily thing to just be creative all the time and constantly wanting to create something new. But as with everything, I would say take a break, step back, and always remember why you started creating in the first place. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials, tips, and thoughts, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe.
Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.